Did you know there's a waterfall in the US that turns into fire every year? It's not a trick, not special effects, just pure nature and perfect timing. In Yosemite National Park, there's a waterfall called Horsetail Fall. And for just a few days in February, something magical happens. At sunset, when the light hits at the exact right angle, the water starts to glow like molten lava. It's called the Yosemite Firefall, and it lasts only 10 minutes. But here's the catch. If the clouds roll in or the snow doesn't melt just right, it doesn't happen at all. No second chances. Photographers travel from around the world just to see it, and when it glows, it looks like Earth is pouring fire from the sky. This world is full of strange things, and we're just getting started. Subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.